Hello guys, I welcome you all to today's video. In today's video we'll be looking at swing trading strategy for trading boom and crash. Swing trading strategy for trading boom and crash. If you have been looking for an opportunity to understand what swing trading is all about, or how you can go about it, and how you can know the exact time to go into the trade in order to maximize your profit, then you need to watch this video to the end. But before going fully into it, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some money for yourself online, most especially within the Forex niche. All you just need to do is just to browse through my channel, watch some of my video clips. They are all training videos that can get you started immediately. So apart from watching it, make sure you practice, make sure you understand every strategy shared there, and make sure you practice and perfect your skill first on your demo account before you try it out on your, or before you try them out on your real account. Okay, before you try them out on your real account. That is very important. The reason is we don't want you to lose your money, we want you to make money. Okay, and we don't want you to make money once, we want you to continue making money whenever you go into the market, so that you can have something withdrawn for yourself in order to take care of your personal needs, guys. So from there, if you love my videos, can you give me thumbs up and share with families and friends? And also, if you have any question about any of my videos, or probably you want to know more about my trading strategies, or maybe you want to know more about any of my trading tools, feel free to contact me. My contact details are displayed on the screen, and I will be dropping them in the description box below this video. And okay, quickly, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so now. That is the only way you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. All you just need to do is just to check below this video for this button, this subscription button. Click on it, and also check beside it for the notification bell. Set the notification bell to all notification. Okay, that way you will always be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. So quickly, we'll be going straight to the chart right now, so that we will continue with what we have for today. But before we do that, let's quickly go to the jam board to check out one or two things right there. Okay, right here we want to discuss on swing trading. Okay, what is swing trading? Okay, swing trading is a type of trading that allows you to trade for a very long time. Okay, you trade along with the market movement in one direction. Okay, for instance, you can trade when the market is going down, and when it is going up, you can also follow it through. And remember, it won't just be a straight line like this. It can go up, down, but more of down direction. Then it will get to a stage, it will change the direction and start going up, down, but more of up direction. Okay, that is the way it will go. Okay, but we just want to follow through the trend, all from, starting from the beginning till the very end. And this can take some times before the trend will end. It can take hours, it can take hours if you start from the beginning, and sometimes it takes days. Okay, or a whole day. Okay, sometimes it takes days. A single direction can take days. Okay, sometimes it can even take weeks, depending on the what was it called, depending on the time frame you are using. Okay, sometimes it can take months, guys. Yeah, it is possible it can take months. That is why I said it depends on the time frame you are using. And if you should check it out, after illustrating with this straight line, I told you that it won't just be on a straight line like this. It's going to take this direction, which means there will always be a pullback. There will always be pullback in the direction. Okay, if it is going down, it will always be reversing back once in a while before going back into that direction. Okay, so you should be prepared for this. And for you to swing trade, guys, for you to swing trade, in most cases you need large trading capital, at least an average of it is always cool when you start with $500 if you are swing trading, but if you can also use $300 or $250 at least, that also depends on the time frame you will be using. Okay, Then other things that you need to take note of is that you also need to get used to the rates. Okay, sometimes you go into the market and you won't be profit immediately. Okay, you should have it at the back of your mind that this is going to be for a very long period. Okay, probably minutes, hours, or thereabouts. Okay, depending on the time frame. Okay, so you shouldn't be in a haste to close your trades in loss. Okay, all you need to do to be sure that you are taking the right decision is to follow the trend. Okay, make sure you are in the right trend. If you are in the right trend, then there is no other issue with you except if you are in the wrong trend. That is when you will be panicking. Okay, so let's go straight into the chart so that we get to see how to go about this. Okay, this is the chart, and right here, if I want to swing trade in most cases, because I don't want to wait for too long and before I get my signal, and I also want to perfect my signal, so I love using either 15 minutes or 30 minutes. Okay, so I'll be using 15 minutes in this video to do my illustration. So how do you swing trade? Like I told you, the next thing you need to do is for you to target the trend. Okay, you need to be able to know when the trend is starting. Okay, and if you should check it out, this is scraper indicator. Right here we have indicators that shows us the trend support and resistance level and our entry point and our exit point. Okay, that is why it is an amazing indicator. So right here the trend is swinging from downtrend to uptrend, and the uptrend is about starting from here, and which means you can come in right here and trade. Okay, and trade till the end of the trend. You can see the trend actually ended right here. You can calculate the number of minutes spent in this trade alone. Okay, this is 161 bars. This is just to prove it to you that it can take days, it can take minutes, it can take hours, it can even take weeks and months. Okay, so it all depends on the time frame we are using. Okay, it all depends on the time frame we are using. So I want to calculate the number of minutes spent. Okay, this is 162 bars, 162 candles. Okay, remember that is we are on 15-minute time frame. Okay, so 162 times 15. Okay, this is giving us 2,430 minutes, guys. Now divided by 60 to know the number of hours spent. Okay, this actually went for 40 hours. Okay, 40 hours. Okay, a little bit above 40 hours. Okay, so 40 hours, that is almost 2 days. Almost 2 days. Can you imagine being in the market for almost 2 days, guys? So this is amazing. This is amazing. So right here, this is when you should turn into the other trend, and this strategy is one of the best way to trade. It is one of the most convenient, the best way to trade. All you just need to do is just to be sure of the trend. Once you are sure of the trend, you come in. Sometimes you will be in negative for a very long time. That is why you need to use reasonable lot size that your trading capital can control. That is also another thing you need to take note of. But it is very sure, because you are sure of the trend and it will go for a very long time. And as you can see, it went up. Sometimes it won't even go up immediately. You come in, you still find yourself in a lot of loss before it will start going in that direction. That does not mean you are not in the right trend. You are in the right trend, but just that it is yet to take full control of the trend at that particular point. Okay, so check it out. It went up, came down, went up, came down again, almost getting to your entry point, went up. This time around you have broken all the resistance levels that are affecting it around here. So it went up to this level, came down a bit, now went up. At this stage you will be happy because you are already making a lot of profit right there. Okay, so then it came down here again, but it now went up to this resistance level to close the trend. Okay, to close the trend. So at this stage you should exit your market immediately and swing to the other trend. Okay, you swing to the other trend, you exit this, then you place a sell order and you leave it till the end of the trend. It is an amazing strategy, but in most cases, if you don't understand the way it works, okay, if you are not confident enough in your trading activities, you will find it difficult to trade because you can be in loss for a very long time before you start seeing yourself in profit. So, and as you can see, in most cases we usually trade it on higher time frame like this. So sometimes it might show you that you are in uptrend in 15-minute time frame, whereby in 1 minute time frame it is still in downtrend. Okay, so at that stage it will be giving you negative at that stage till that is now changing from downtrend to uptrend, which is in line with what you are doing on 15-minute time frame. So that is what this is giving. I mean, this is how you can swing trade successfully. I'll be sharing more light on this so that you will understand how to go about it, and also how to take advantage of it in order to place multiple orders, and those areas which you should look out for in order to place such orders. These are some of the things we'll be looking at in this series of videos that will be coming up on this particular topic. Okay, so watch out for my next video so that you will understand more on how to go about this. But this is what I want you to do, guys. I want you to go back to your chart and try to trade for a day. Pick a trend and follow the trend right from the beginning to the end. If it's going to take the whole day, okay, do it for the whole day. If it's not going to end the trend that day, but make sure at the end of that day you check out your performance and still confirm if the trend is still in line with what you started with, and if it is, you can close your trading profit and see how much you are able to make at the end of the day. So guys, I will be stopping right here. Remember, always practice and perfect your skill first before you try it out on your real account. And also, if you have any questions, feel free to contact me. My contact details are displayed on the screen, and I will be dropping them in the description box below this video. And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so now. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.